Hello everyone, welcome to Online Cash. On this channel, we'll talk about how to make money easily online. Today, we'll be talking about a platform called Tokenbox. So, Tokenbox, you earn money just by mining coins, different USDT, different cryptocurrency coins. So, um, as you can see, this is the dashboard of the platform. Now, you can use this platform as a website or as an app. So, I'm using the app now. I'm currently using the app and I'm in the app now. So how do you earn on this platform? Like I said, you earn by mining. And so after watching this video completely and getting to understand how this platform work, you will see the link of the platform at the comment section or at the description section of this video. So when you click on it, you just sign up. So at first they might not send your code, you get. So most times it takes them to send the code to your Gmail. So it took me like, so if you try the first day it does not work, you try the next day, it might work. So that is it. Now after getting the code, you sign up and you log into your accounts. So it will bring you to this dashboard. Now how do you earn? You can see here it's showing open the box. So you tap on it, just wait. So you tap on these coins that are up, these ones, just tap on everything, these bubbles. So you can see. So you can see you claim Ethereum, claim USDT, claim BTC, but the main coin of this platform is TTT. It's called TTT. So but this coin have not been launched. So you can withdraw, but you have to pay a gas fee to withdraw this particular coin, their app coin. But the rest coin, the Ethereum, the USDT and the BTC, you don't have to pay any gas fee. I think it's like $1 for the transfer fee. So and the minimum withdrawal is $10. So if you that is it. But this particular TTT, you will just wait till the listing date or the launching date of the coin. So we just accumulate them. As you can see, I have 76 TTT. So just accumulate them. You don't need to withdraw them. You can withdraw the BTC, USDT once it reaches the minimum withdrawal of $10. So I will just take you through the app and how it works. And as you can see, after tapping on the open box, you will see 11 hours 58 minutes. So every 12 hours it counts down and you come to open the box, just claim those coins up there that is like Google. Then after 12 hours again you come back. So that is how you just claim on this platform. So as you can see, it's showing the mining ratio. Current total hash rate is 1.6. So you can see per hour, and it's for 12 hours. So you can see, if you calculate that, you see it's about almost 20. Yes, almost. Okay, I don't think it's up to 20. So um get this, before you can withdraw from this platform, um you have to verify yourself, you get. So you have to do KYC verification. Now the KYC verification is not hard. It's just, you don't even have to snap your NIN just to put your NIN number. So but I'm not ready to do it now. So you can see enter your real name, enter your number, then you tap on authenticate. That is finish. Okay, that is if you are using your passport. Enter national ID card. So you see the same thing. National ID card, enter your real name and enter your ID number. So that is it. So and if you are verified, like I said, you can withdraw. Now if you want to withdraw from this platform, you can see you come to wallet, you see the up here, you see 76.8 TTT. Now like I said, you cannot withdraw this one yet because it needs a lot of gas fee. If you can see, if you see here, you see fee per withdrawal 1 USDK. I don't really know how much that 1 USDK is, but that is not 1 USDT, it's 1 USDK, and I feel that is about $9. I'm not sure of the price, but it's more than $5. So imagine mining and $10 and you're using $5 for withdrawal fee. It sounds ridiculous, you get. So you don't have to do that. So if you want to withdraw the other USDT, you can see if you look up here at the right side, you see digital wallet. This blue round something here. See digital, you tap on the digital wallet. So you can see the TTT, you can see the USDK, you can see BTC. Now I've not claimed any BTC. You can see Ethereum. You can see I have $0.25 of Ethereum. You can see Doge and other ones like that. If you look at it, then you see LTC. So if you want to withdraw them, you just tap on this USDK, tap on it. So you see, tap on withdraw. So that is it. Put your Solana. So the minimum is 200 USDK, and I only have 0.0062 USDK. Now that is it. Let me bring you to the other side. Now Ethereum, you see Ethereum, minimum Ethereum is 1 Ethereum. You can see 1 Ethereum. And if you look, coming USDT is more cheaper. So you can see 1 USDT withdrawal fee, and the minimum is 10 USDT. So 1 SDT withdrawal fee, you can see that. And LTC, minimum withdrawal is 100 LTC, and I don't even think this LTC need gas fee. So you can see some need transfer fee, some need gas fee, and some do not. So that is how this platform work. And if you want to invite your friends, come to this place. You see the down, you see friend 0 invite. So tap on invite, then you tap on invite now on so you see invite friends to mine reward 10% hash rate. So you can see the reward there. So you just tap on your refer, either you tap on your invite code or your invite link. So that is how this platform works. If you need any, if you want to ask any question or want to know more about the platform, put it at the comment section and I will do it to answer. And if you want more of this video of how to make money easily online, just like and subscribe, and make sure you click on the bell icon so that if I drop any video, you'll be one of the first people to get the notifications. Thank you.